The OPPO A5S comes with a 6.2-inch display with water drop notch that provides an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games, or reading e-books. This phone is available in red, green, blue, black, and gold color with 2GB, 3GB, and 4GB memory variants. OPPO A5S comes with multiple RAM sizes to choose from as per usability. It also comes with 32 and 64GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 256GB to store all your photos, videos, and music to access them anywhere on the go. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The OPPO A5S features a 6.2-inch HD Plus vibrant display with Corning Gorilla Glass screen for an immersive viewing experience. The IPS display produces accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. It also comes with face unlock and fingerprint sensor that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. The phone has a 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual rear camera with depth of field bokeh effect and a host of other modes to help you capture good quality pictures. It also features an 8-megapixel front camera with AI beauty mode for clicking selfies. Powered by Android Oreo operating system with Mediatek MT6765 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with a 4230 mAh lithium-polymer battery, providing a talk time of 32 hours and standby time of 410 hours. The box includes handset, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, booklet with warranty card and quick guide. The OPPO A5S comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can also pay online with your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.